Hey y'all, it's your girl LaRobin Lachey, and we are back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Junior wants to not be on my I can't really skip it, did I miss Today is Monday and we are back in the markets. I marked my charts up last night on gold, and also I marked up my charts for NAS. NAS did play out the way that I wanted it to, but I did not take that trade. I actually took a sell set up on gold because last week gold did a lot of buying. I just felt like the market was due for a correction. So gold was at my levels and it did start to break my levels, and I got in for a sell. I did get halfway into profit. For me, today was a break-even day. Let me know in the comments, how was your trading day? If you are a trader, let me know what you trade and what was your results today. As a day trader, like, we all want to win, and some of y'all want to win every day, but you got to realize every day will not be a win. If you're really trying to grow your account and actually hit those numbers that you're trying to hit, then you have to create a plan. I mean, a strategic plan. I'm talking about you need to sit down. You need to write down your numbers. Let's just say you're trying to go from 1,000 to about 3,000. You need to have a set risk management for just 1,000 to 3,000. If your risk management is $50 to $100, then you need to stick with that. If you lose $50 to $100 a day, then you need to be done for the day and wait to trade another day. That will be the quickest way for you to compound your account, because every day is not going to be a losing day. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times we can be going through things and it can throw us off. And people don't realize how important psychology is when you're trading. That's why you have to read books, get your mind right on psychology. Trading in the Zone has been a great book to help me become more successful as a trader, and I'm still on my journey, will forever be on my journey, because it does not stop when you reach certain levels. Whenever I hit my goal that I'm aiming at now, then I plan on doing higher numbers. A lot of us want to reach that final destination and think we made it, but we haven't made it. It's still a journey. The journey will continue when you get there, and you learn the most within that journey that you're going through. A lot of people think that just because you get to a certain goal, like, you're done. And when you get there, you're gonna realize that it was just the beginning. It was just the beginning to get you to that next level. In this day and age, we have technology, social media. Everything is such at a fast pace that we all think that everything should just be at a fast pace. But when you're learning something new, a new skill set, you have to take your time with it. Like in trading, as a beginner, you're going to have to get your stripes. Like, there's no way around it. We all been in this journey where we all just had to learn. And a lot of times we learn by losing. And if you can't adapt to that, then trading is not for you, because I guarantee you in the beginning, you're going to lose a lot. But on the greater side of that, once you see yourself getting those wins and you are figuring out your strategy and you finally have one, you're going to be more confident in the market. So as a beginner, you shouldn't even be focused on making money. You should be focusing on learning how to trade, learning your strategy. So when it's your time, you know exactly what to do. I know I continuously say that we're on our journey, and that's true. We are on the journey. But once we reach that destination, it's not over. Once you reach your destination, it is not over. In this destination, we're always growing in wisdom and knowledge and understanding. Don't you realize what you're going through is not about you? It has nothing to do with what you're going through. This journey is not about you. Everything that you go through is supposed to be about helping somebody. This is your testimony. This is to help somebody else that is going through something. It motivates them to continue on their own journey. And that's life. Because life is about helping people. That's what it all comes down to. You gotta have that higher power, like whatever you believe in. You gotta have that relationship. And this year I just want to be closer to God and just have a better relationship with Him, because that is the foundation of everything. If I don't have Him, then what am I doing this for? Like, I'm still gonna be struggling. I'm still gonna be feeling empty. Even if I reach my goals, like, it's not gonna mean anything if I'm not good within. Like, it all starts from within, everything. A lot of things that we go through, it's not even about us. It's about you showing people how far God has brought you. And that alone is your testimony. So throughout this process that you're on, just know that you can do it. You can do it. You can accomplish anything that you put your mind to. And just stay prayed up. Stay prayed up. As an entrepreneur, as a trader, or if you're trying to just do anything on your own, you're gonna realize that you want to go further. Like, you always want to push yourself to go even further than where you're at. So for me, I feel like once I hit those goals, and then I'm on to the next goal. The objective with this channel is to focus primarily on trading, but I also want to help other people grow. I have a free community now where you can learn the basic information of trading. Every trade that I take, I try to post it in the group so you guys can see why I took that trade. And like I said, it's a free community. Just come and get the knowledge. Or if you're just trying to be surrounded by a community where there's other people trading and motivating you as well along the way, then you should be in my group. A lot of people don't understand what we're doing, and they just don't understand the daily struggles of a trader. So in my community, you'll find other traders that are on their own journey, and they are here to help motivate you. They're posting their analysis. They're even giving out free information in the group as well. So I'll be giving out information. Other traders will be giving out information, and it's all for free. Just the other day in there, I posted a couple of ebooks that'll help other traders on learning more about charting and candlesticks. So I think that was great information, and that was a good start for me. That's where you should start. Like, you really should start understanding how candlesticks move. You need to start learning all the information that you can about candlesticks and charting, because those are the basics of trading. You need to understand the movement of candlesticks. Why is the candlestick pushing up? Why is the candlestick pushing down? Like, in my group, I'm giving out all that basic information, and I'm also giving you other resources of where you can actually start. Join the group. It's free, and you are definitely getting that education. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Be sure to tune in for more. And in today's video, we talked about how my trading day went. We also talked about the journey of trading and knowing that it does not stop at your destination, because your journey never ends. We're always growing. We're always gaining wisdom and understanding so we can help the next person. It's all about going through this process and creating a testimony for somebody else so we can help them on their journey. That's what life is about, helping other people and just growing as a person in whatever career field that you are in.